Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can make a top navigation bar or bottom navigation bar depending on your choice, but it's going to be very much professional. So here, as always, start building your page, press here, create your own, go here, and now when you press here, the element item appears from the left. So you can see it is asking for adding the elements. Now first, I would like to make 3 columns here. So once you bring it here, you see 2 columns. Now you just copy this one, and now we have 3 columns. So in the first 2 columns, there will be 2 menus, and the last one, there will be social media icons. So first I bring the menu here, and again I will bring the menu in this box. So as it is covered, I cannot take it here, so I rather take it here first and then delete this one. Now we have 2 menus, and I just go here to change the menu so that there is a difference in these 2 navigation. One is giving you a lot of options and the other is giving you less options. It's actually depending on what you have chosen or what pages you would like people to navigate on, and that way you are going to make your menu. And the last one, this part, the people will come and go directly to your social media pages. So we can take social media icons from existing menu, and you can press plus here and then search for menu, and you find already pre-existing menu here, and you call it, and you just drag this social media icons here, and you see it already goes there. Just then delete this button. So now you have 2 menus and the social media icons.